Hello, myself abhilasha thakur. My roll number is IC2K03. This is my third internal of cloud computing and my topic is cloud computing architecture. So, content. What is computing? What is architecture? What is cloud architecture? Cloud computing architecture by image, front end, cloud infrastructure, backend, component of backend, and benefits of cloud computing architecture. We will going to cover all this topic in this video. What is cloud computing? So, cloud computing is a on-demand access to computing resources like applications, server, data storage, development tools, networking capabilities, and more hosted at a remote data center. Managed by cloud server provider, the CSP makes this resource available for from monthly subscription fees or billing according to the usage. What is architecture? Any technological model consists of architecture based on which the model functions, which is a hierarchical view of the describing the technology. It's a architecture. What is cloud architecture? The cloud has an architecture that describes its working mechanism. It includes the dependencies on which it works and the component that work over it. The cloud is a recent technology that is completely dependent on network for its functioning. The cloud architecture can be divided into multiple components. There are few. So internet infrastructure, client infrastructure, internet, application server, runtime cloud, storage infrastructure. This is the image diagram, image of computer architecture. Front end and front end cloud infrastructure. It provides application and interfaces that are required for cloud-based services. It consists of client-side applications, which are web browsers such as Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Backend. The backend is used for the service provider. It manages all the resources that are required to provide cloud computing services. It includes a hug amount of data storage, security mechanism, virtual mechanism, deploying model services, traffic control mechanism, etc. Component of backend application. It can either be a software or platform depending upon the client requirement. The application provider provides the result to the end users in the backend. Services is an essential component in cloud architecture. Its responsibility is to provide utility in the architecture. In a cloud, few widely used services among the end users are storage, application development environments, and web services. Component of backend. We are continue with that topic only. Infrastructure. It provides services on the host level, application level, and network level. Cloud infrastructure include hardware, software components such as services, storage, network device, virtualization software, and other storage resources that are needed to support the cloud computing model. Management. Its task is to allot specific resources to a specific task. It simultaneously performs various functions of the cloud environment. In simple term, it establishes coordination among the cloud resources. Component of backend, continuing that. Security. Security is an integral part of backend cloud infrastructure. It provides a secure cloud resources system, file, and infrastructure to the end users. Also, it implements security management to the cloud server and virtual firewalls, which result in preventing data losses. Internet. The internet is a medium through which front end and back end can be infrastructure and communicated with each other, interconnected. Benefits of cloud computing architecture. The cloud computing architecture is designed in such a way that it helps business to easily scale up and scale down their cloud resources. It can feasibility the features which give business a competitive advantage. It result in better disaster recovery and provide high security. It automatically updates its services. Thank you. I hope you find this PDF information and informational and helpful. Thank you.